Alright, so let's solve this. What I want to do is solve this via completing the square. So what that means is completing the square means you take this value here, you're going to divide by 2, and then you're going to square it. Okay? So 8 divided by 2, and then you square it. Now what you have to realize is that if I'm adding 8 over 2 squared to one side, I must add it to the other. So when I clean this up, it becomes x squared plus 8x plus 16 equals 7 plus 16. 8 divided by 2 is 4. 4 squared is 16. The reason you complete the square is this value here becomes quantity x plus 4 squared. How do I know that? Well, the idea is that you're essentially creating this effect. So this 8 is 2 times whatever the value is, so that's why, hence, if I just want it to be 4, why I wrote 4, all I did is divide by 2, and that's always going to be the case because of this 2 right here. So when you complete the square, you use the process to create the 16. The 16 is useful on the right side, but this whole amount breaks down to this whole amount. And if you don't believe me, FOIL out x plus 4 squared, and you'll see quickly that it gets you the same value. Okay? So let me clean this up a little bit. Let me take out all this extra stuff because it's no longer necessary. Okay. And 7 plus 16 is 23. So the whole point of completing the square is to make it so that I can take the square root, and I can very easily get x by itself. Now keep in mind also that when you apply the square root, it becomes plus or minus. So to finish this off, I'm going to subtract 4 from both sides. Makes up a little more space. X equals plus or minus square root 23 minus 4. Usually you'll see it written this way. And there's your answer. Hopefully that makes sense. See you all next video.